Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by syncing notes with iCloud so every device matches instantly. This prevents lost work. Once done, create a folder for each course and make a new note for the first lecture. This becomes your template. Use the camera scan inside notes to capture handouts or textbook pages. Scanning saves time and searchable text. Make a short checklist at the top for objectives, then add a tag with course code so you can filter later. During class, structure each note with headings and quick checkboxes so you can scan the page later. This helps when studying. Insert photos or a scanned PDF when the board is dense, and record short audio clips for parts you missed. Make sure to label them immediately. Once you finish a lecture note, tag it with course code and topic, then pin the week's most important notes. These steps make retrieval fast when exams loom and keep details intact. To finish your workflow, convert keynotes to PDF for submission and share collaborative notes with classmates so everyone contributes. Once a module ends, move those notes to a reference folder to reduce clutter. Keep only the current month pinned. For review, use search and tags to pull related concepts together. If syncing stops, check iCloud storage, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and force a notes refresh. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.